Welcome back to CAVC TV. I'm Yusuf Ibrahim, and this week's episode comes to you from our city centre campus. Here at Cardiff and Vale College, we're committed to developing skilled and employable people and providing you with unique opportunities to stand out from the crowd and reach your full potential. This week, we'll be giving you the lowdown on just a few of the opportunities available to you over the coming weeks. Before we do, we just want to make sure you're aware of the latest government update regarding changes to exams and assessments for this year. Welsh Government have announced that due to COVID-19, there will be no examinations for GCSE, AS and A-level students in the summer of 2021. They will be replaced by other forms of assessment, which will be externally set and verified to ensure a robust and fair awarding of grades. This decision has been made to ensure that as learners, you can be supported to achieve your qualification without any uncertainty of how it will be assessed. Vocational qualifications, including BTECs and many others, are more complex, and further work is needed before decisions can be made on these. Please be assured that we are committed to working with all awarding bodies to ensure that we can continue to teach and develop highly skilled students, and that you are able to achieve your qualifications and progress.
Hi, I'm Startup Gus, the college's enterprise officer. I help students looking to set up their own business, social enterprise, or freelance career. Have you ever dreamed about becoming your own boss? Perhaps you're already trading but need expert advice. Well, throughout Global Entrepreneurship Week at CAVC, we'll give you the skills to help you break into your industry and become your own boss. The program for the week is on your screens now. You'll have the chance to meet and hear from successful entrepreneurs within your industry, attend startup workshops, and receive one-to-one business advice. All the sessions and workshops are free to attend, you just need to book your space. You can see a full list of events and further information on the My CAVC app and the student portal. Just click on the Global Entrepreneurship Week tile on the home page. Or you can contact me for more information using the details on the screen.
Each year, a whole host of our learners take part in industry skills competitions and get recognised as being amongst the best in Wales, the UK, and even the world. I'm Emma Andrews, the World Skills and Erasmus Officer here at CAVC, and I'm going to tell you about how you can get involved. Skills competitions are a series of events which take place locally, nationally, and internationally each year. They are designed for learners, trainees, and apprentices. They provide an opportunity to challenge yourself and enhance your skill sets. From a variety of skill sectors, including construction, building services, hairdressing and beauty, hospitality, enterprise to creative, with the journey beginning with Skills Competitions Wales events that take place in Welsh colleges early in the new year. At CAVC, we have been chosen as one of the first UK colleges to join the World Skills Centre of Excellence programme, with more CAVC students entering each year, and with more winners than any other Welsh college. You can go the distance at World Skills too. Applications are currently open, and now could be your chance to compete for Team CAVC. Just express your interest to your tutor or contact the team using the email address on screen with any questions or for support.
Some great opportunities for you to get involved in. Don't forget to keep each other safe when both on and off campus. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.